Hi, this is Julia from Alamo Costa del Sol Properties. Today I'm here to show you our new listing in one of the most sought after areas of Fuengirola, the complex Pueblo López. It's like an oasis of silence and peace, but right in the center of Fuengirola. Within a 5-minute walk, you have the bus station, train station, the beach, pharmacies, shops, supermarkets, everything you need with no need of a car. But if you have a car, no problem, because the community has communal parking also. Come with me and let's check out the property. Not a little.